This is a National Toy Train Museum all-metal storage boxcar from the Train Collectors Association, centered in Strasburg, Pennsylvania. It's all metal, and it's made in the United States by Sunset Trains. Here's the bottom. It has silver wheels. There's the top. The top comes off, and you can store little knickknacks inside, or train parts, fuses, light bulbs. The roof goes back on, and this came as part of the set. I don't have the set, but this is the boxcar. As you see, it connects to other cars. It's between N scale and 027 scale. It's a little bigger than N, but not as big as O. There's the logo of the museum. There's the website. There's another logo. And it's the same on the other side. And it has red, white, and blue to show it's made in America. And has air holes, which also serve as screws. Thanks for watching.